This is what my morning routine looked like for the past month. I go to sleep at 4 am and wake up at 1 pm. Complete shit. I left Edmonton last month and moved to this new city. I started working late at night, even when I was so exhausted. I started to believe that the night routine was working better for me. Until one day, I realized that this is not the best schedule for me and I need to get my shit together. But before that, every one of us here has experienced how fixing a broken routine looks like. And being a morning person, we get so much motivated that we start overestimating ourselves. And as a result, we end up getting more exhausted at the end than we were before. Now I am also human, so I had to experience that. This was the time when I was at the peak of my laziness. My mom saw me and beat the shit out of me. Then I got myself this beautiful desk and really comfy chair. Finally, I decided to fix up my morning routine with so much motivation that I decided to go to sleep at 11 pm and wake up at 5 am in the morning. Completely opposite what I am doing right now. At the beginning, what I thought my morning routine will look like is this.
Cruising in my lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, nah, likely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing. In the front row, run it up when they hype me. The following grows, they know how to ignite me. Call me CEO, I've been running right, see. And I ain't playing games, I create my own lane, making pleasure out of pain, turning losses into gains. I'm the boss, I'm making change. I've been rocking this exchange, popping off and risking things. Gonna make a name, I just wanna be famous.
And this is how it actually looked like. Guys, it's 5 am, guys. Welcome to my channel, guys. Fuck, guys. Either way, nobody's gonna watch this. I guess it's not always what we think that happens. So the following day, I sat at my desk and decided to make a realistic morning routine that can work for me and help me get more productive. As usual, I went on the YouTube again to find the tips for a successful morning routine, which I already knew. I got so many tips that at last I had to narrow it down to the most basic ones. And this is how I realized that I want to wake up in the morning, but I don't have a dedicated plan for myself that I want to follow up after waking up first thing in the morning. If I just told myself that I'm going to wake up in the morning and study, then it's definitely not going to work. So at this time I was lacking that why should I wake up early in the morning. So I decided to be more specific about what I want to accomplish the next day and wrote it down on this sticky note and put it here at my computer so that it constantly reminds me what should I do and not getting lost in the thoughts about doing bizarro things. I decided to keep my phone far away from my bed so that I don't start mindlessly scrolling through social media before going to sleep. And also I had to get out of my bed because of this really annoying alarm. I also put this water bottle on the table, so the first thing I can do is to hydrate myself, which helps to get refreshed and active start for the day. Then the next hardest part is going into the shower. Really cold shower. If I get past this, I make myself a coffee and some sandwich and start my day as I planned the previous day. Thank you guys for sticking with me till the end. If you like my content, consider subscribing, and I will see you in the next one.